All right, we're doing a collaboration this time with NPO at midnight over here. We're here in Cranberry. Let's get it. I first spot at Cranberry. I see a Goldie right in there. Needs to be like the perfect cast. So I'm a little teapot and let her fly. Look at this. There's snow on the ground out here, and this guy's in shorts. I think I'm having a hit. Unless that's you. No, that's not you. No, maybe I'm just bumping rocks. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, there's one. I think I got it. Probably. I had too much slack on. Yeah, for sure. Hooked him deep.
Oh, you mean he swallowed it?
Yeah. Yeah, swallowed it. Yeah. That's what I call gut hook. Yeah, I felt a bump. No, it's not too bad. I can get that. Yeah. You want to eat him? Yeah, we'll keep him and eat him. You never know if you'll catch another. Sure. Yeah, he'll definitely live. But I'm hungry. Ching!
What do they always say about the foam on the water when you're trout fishing?
I don't know.
The foam is home.
There's one. Fish on. Yeah.
Good fish. Afraid of it.
There we go. That one's a little better. Bringing it down the face of that rock is nice.
One of the ones is
This is the natural look. Is that a rock? No, I'm on it. Maybe you can All right. Thank you.
There you go.
Sweet.
Let's go eat.
Swing. Dom on. Come on, Shreve. Nice. All right, switched it up to the gulp minnow. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. This guy is released. One of the day. Let's go, baby. Beautiful little rainbow. Yeah. Yee. That's what I like to see. Puts me at 5 on the day, so pretty good day. So this is day 2 for the Cranberry trip. Hopefully we can get on some more of them today. It's cold right now, but it's supposed to warm up. Should be pretty nice. Let's. Cover's already been blown. There's a goldie right there. Didn't see it till I got down here. Darn. There, got it. There we go. Fish on. Your net's frozen.
I just wanted to use my net.
All right, first one of the day.
I killed that.
Dude, I love Denny's.
That is a good spot.
Yeah. Great American establishment. I like their triple juicy burger or their like barbecue bourbon bacon burger. Now that's a view to be fishing in the morning, ain't it?
What's that?
Beautiful stream. Oh no. Crap. Oh. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a good one. Oh no, he broke my line! I must have had a weak spot in the line, because it didn't take much for him to break it. Hold on, I'm getting a hit. There we go. That's a little one though. He's not little, but he's not the same one. Now we have 2 fish for tonight. Day 3, last day in Cranberry. Just gonna fish a little bit this morning and then walk on out and fish our way down. I'm starting the day with an 1/8 ounce speckled trout from Joe Fly. Trout. Number 8 on the trip. I like a 12er. See you later, pal. Oh, another trout. It's a pretty good one. Sheesh. Oh, no, no. No. Oh, bummer. All right, there's the gate at the bottom of the road, which means that this trip to Cranberry is officially over. It's been a good one. Caught a few fish. I'll see you all next time. Have a good one.